In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Dreamweaver. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting your journey, having a solid understanding of how to access and set up Dreamweaver is essential. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to begin by launching the Creative Cloud desktop app. If you haven't opened it before, you can find it in your Applications folder or by simply searching for it in your computer's search bar. Once the Creative Cloud app is open, you'll notice a list of all the Adobe products available to you. Here, you'll be able to manage your Adobe subscriptions and installations with ease. Now, locate Dreamweaver in the list of available apps. If you're having trouble finding it, there's a handy search bar at the top of the Creative Cloud interface where you can quickly type in Dreamweaver to filter the results. Once you've found Dreamweaver, you'll see an Install button right next to it. Go ahead and click that button. This will initiate the download and installation process onto your computer. While the software downloads, you might want to check your internet connection to ensure it's stable, as a strong connection will help speed up the download process. Adobe's software is large, and a stable connection can make all the difference in a smooth, uninterrupted download experience. Once the download is complete, the installation will automatically begin. During this time, it's important not to close the Creative Cloud app or shut down your computer, as interrupting the process could lead to issues with the installation. It's a great time to take a short break while you let the software do its magic. Typically, the installation process doesn't take too long, but it does depend on your system's speed. Now, once the installation wraps up successfully, you are ready to launch Dreamweaver for the first time. Simply go back to your list of applications and open Dreamweaver. As it opens, you will be prompted to sign in with your Adobe account. Ensure you have your login credentials handy, as this step is crucial in verifying your software license and ensuring you have access to all the Dreamweaver features. If you don't have an Adobe account, you'll need to create one, which is a straightforward process by following the prompts on the screen. And there you have it. Once logged in, you're all set and ready to start exploring all that Adobe Dreamweaver has to offer, from its intuitive interface to the powerful tools it provides for building and designing websites. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!